Go. I'm Satyam Srivastav, captain of Team Speed Monster, is here to present the business plan of our team. Motorsports are getting popular as the automobile sector is growing year by year. Formula One is an example of it. But Formula One needs great skill and everyone cannot purchase Formula One cars. There exists a motorsport that resembles Formula One. Whether you are 7 or 70, male or female, you can choose go-karting. Yet go-kart looks deceptive from its first look, but it is quite sophisticated in design and theory. Looking over the developing trends of motorsports in India, there would be a sudden demand of go-karts for the sake of adventure and fun in the following years. Next slide. The team consists of 15 engineers developed in September 2014. Our aim is to bring go-karts vehicle design into production at a rate of 4,000 units per year. And our vision is to become the leading manufacturers of go-kart in the upcoming years. And our vision is manufacture and fabricate go-kart in accordance with the need of Indian market and achieve a frequency of 4,000 carts per year. Next. Our go-kart that we have designed has 190cc engine that is 6.5 horsepower. It works on petrol, contains shift paddle to switch gears, and it is under steering, so that driver don't have to remove his hand from the steering. And we have disc brake for braking. Next slide. In the competitive analysis, we have other companies like MRF, Indus Go-Karts and K&K Karts presently in the market. In comparison to these companies, our kart is more safe and more reliable in the design. It also contains shift paddle that ensures driver safety and comfort, so he don't have to remove his hands while driving. And we provide go-karts on cheapest price in the country, and that is under 50,000, 49,800. Next. Our marketing plan contains our current situation, description of our target, goals for this year, tactics and strategies for marketing of our product. To get our design production at a frequency of 4,000 units per year, that is our current situation. And our target audience is the audience that seeks adventure and fun, and that is youth audience. But the youth audience needs safety and reliability in the car they drive for their safety. And we will do our marketing by the advertisements, branding, electronics, internet and promotion, etc. Next. Our team and company has following processes that is divided into subgroups. These subgroups are design, fabrication and machining, sales and marketing, management, quality control, inventory control. These subgroups are further divided into some subgroups and controlled by the members of our team. Next. This is our plant layout, and plant layout is such that material handling and transportation is maintained within a plant and is minimized. Suitable spaces are available for the production. Movements made by the workers are minimized so that it will save time. Safer working conditions are the main aim of our plant. Optimum utilization of space is done so that less space and cost will be reduced. Maintenance of the plant is simple so that easily maintenance can be done. Next. These are the operation in the house that we will be doing in the roof of our plant. These operations are welding and bending operation, lathing and CNC machining, other maintenance and machining operations, keeping the stocks and inventory maintained, assembling of each and every part component of the vehicle, and painting and finishing of vehicle, management of our processes, and delivery of end product to the consumers. Third party supplied goods. These are the materials that we will import from outside, and these are our engine, that is Briggs & Stratton engine of 190cc and 6.5 horsepower, and 4-speed Albion gearbox, and disc brake components like TMC, caliper and disc, and our tires and rims. Now we will discuss our forecast of sales, profit and loss. Our revenue is going to increase 10% per year, looking over the following trends in the market of go-kart. And looking at the profit, a single cart will cost us 41,000 in Indian rupees, and if it will be produced in the bulk, it will be 36,000, and including tax, it will cost around 43,800 if we will produce go-karts in bulk, and we will sell it to consumer on 49,800, and that gives us the profit of 5,000 each cart on an each cart. And the loss, there is, as we have analyzed, there is no such loss in manufacturing of go-kart unless the petrol prices will rise and automobile component prices will rise. But I think there is no such trend that thinks that these prices will increase, so there is no loss in the manufacture of go-kart. Next. Now it comes to product reliability. To check the product reliability and safety, we have analyzed our design in ANSYS and Hypermesh softwares, and we done the analysis like front, side, rear, rollover analysis, torsional and modal analysis. And we have included the safety features like kill switches, fire extinguisher and safety harness. Next. Looking at the future trends, we have seen that go-kart is usually driven by youth audiences that need safety. So our future trend is